now that this side has been glued and allowed to sit and dry with the clamps, I'm going to take the clamps off, and hopefully it won't split apart again. It'll stay held together, which it seems to be doing just fine. And now I'm going to turn it over and do the same to the other side. Because as you can see, the other side is pretty split as well. So I'm going to take the Pages wood glue, and this is the quick drying stuff, and I'm going to squirt it down in here. Going all the way down in the split. I can wipe it off the wood later. And this one too, I'm going down into this split so that hopefully it'll penetrate down in there, and then glue this together as well. And now to put the clamps back on. And I'm using these little blocks of wood to keep the clamp tool here from making a mess of the wood itself. Slide that down a little bit more. And I just tighten the clamp. And use that to squeeze the wood together. And the same up here. Down there. That's good. Now you just have to set the clamp tight and straight. And then we leave it for a day and see how it is when we come back to it. I'm just wiping off the excess glue. I'll be sanding this down and refinishing it anyway, but I want to get the excess stuff off of here just to make it a little easier to work with later. Well, it's far from finished, but it should hold back together, and we'll find out real soon once I release these clamps. One down. Two down. And as you can see, it's solid again, just like the other side is. Now I have a little bit of work to do on the base to fill in these cracks, like to squeeze these back together. I think I'm going to pop this board off the bottom and clamp it all back together after I glue it, just to make sure everything is good and solid and tight. And then I'll work on filling it with wood filler and sanding and restaining. There will be more videos to show that when it's done.